Got it. Okay. Let's talk about that actually a little bit, because that is so key on Airbnb, is this superhost status, your ratings, your feedback. Can you share one a little bit about, how does one become a superhost? And two, you obviously have to keep that superhost status.
So it depends upon the ratings that you get and the number of ratings you get in a time period. So you cannot just start off as a superhost. You have to have, I think it is 10 visits within the last maybe year or 6 months that are above, I think, a 4.6.
Okay.
And then you can achieve superhost status, and that gives you additional access to support if you have a problem and need to call into Airbnb, as well as a little bit more visibility. And there's some filters and stuff on Airbnb, so people looking for a place can search where they only want kind of superhost, places to stay.
Right.
There's a tendency to feel like you're going to be taken care of, which is probably accurate there.
Absolutely. If someone's already a superhost, they've already have a history of taking good care of people.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that. So you can go on to Airbnb and search just rentals that are superhost.
Yeah, I think that there's a little button, like a filter
cool.
that says just search superhosts this way. And they elevate you in their search rankings and stuff a little bit, I think, because they also want the guests, they want to have smooth transactions, right?
Yep.
And so they're not really interested in having problems.
Yeah, absolutely.